I have been reading up about natural plant-based detergents, and I know you can buy them, but you can also make your own, and I thought I'm going to give this a go. And all this is plain old garden ivy, and what you do is you choose the older leaves, because the older leaves have in their veins more of the natural foaming detergent. So I'm excited, let's give it a go. Started off by washing my handful of ivy leaves. Then I chopped them up and put them in a little bag with a zip on it, or you could use a sock. Now this load of mixed colours was really quite grubby, but they all went in the washing machine with the ivy leaves. In the detergent compartment I put a cupful of washing soda, and in the fabric conditioner compartment I put 2 tablespoons of white vinegar and a few drops of lemon oil. I put it on a 50-degree eco wash, and then the results were absolutely fine. I can't complain at all about this, and I even put in the load a very, very dirty dishcloth, and that came out beautiful. This is good.